Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Charles Benson. It is an invisible danger that could be lurking in your home. A new warning tonight from Greenfield Fire about carbon monoxide poisoning after 2 men were found dead. Mary McCarr with the warning signs and what you can do to keep your family safe.
The Greenfield Fire Department tells us that 2 men were found dead inside their home Wednesday afternoon after a carbon monoxide leak. Officials tell us they did not have working carbon monoxide detectors inside their home. Heartbroken family members tell me it was a father and adult son who lived in the home. Family hadn't heard from them in a few days, and relatives found them today. They believe the gas leak was coming from the furnace. The unthinkable tragedy, a grave reminder of the importance of detectors and knowing the signs and symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. Dull headaches and dizziness are often the first signs, leading to nausea, irritability, and loss of consciousness. It's also important to know where these dangerous leaks can come from, like an idling car in the garage, furnaces, boilers, stoves, portable generators, or heaters. In Wisconsin, about 500 people a year go to the emergency room due to carbon monoxide. That's why it's a state law to have a working carbon monoxide detector in each level of the home. And as the cold weather continues, officials and the state health department are urging everyone to make sure that their carbon monoxide detectors are fully operational. In Milwaukee County, Mary McCarr, TMJ4 News.
It's also important to know carbon monoxide alarms don't last forever. Most have a life expectancy of 5 to 7 years before they should be completely replaced.